Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will fine-tune a vision model for information extraction. So this is Donut, or Document Understanding Transformer, trained to extract text out of an image. We'll condition this model to take an image and prompt as input, and output JSON. This model uses a MBART model, pre-trained on English and Asian languages, but initialized with decoder only. Instead of BART's encoder, it uses a Swin transformer, which takes an image and produces hidden states, which can be used to condition decoder. For decoder input, you provide initial prompt, and model generates rest. Let's get started. Here's the dataset that we'll use. It has an image and ground truth. Add a task start token. This JSON to token function is from Donut repo. It converts ground truth JSON to token string. As you can see, it converted the dictionary to XML format string. Let's add a new text column to dataset. This update special tokens parameter creates each key from ground truth a token. Time to load the model and processor. Let's expand the vocabulary of processor tokenizer by adding new special tokens. Let's count the max length of our dataset. Okay, here's the fix to calculate loss correctly. Let's have a look at the forward method of vision encoder-decoder model. You can see that decoder inputs and labels are correct. But for loss calculation, it uses self.loss function, which is none. In this case, the value of loss function is, for causal LM loss by default, which again shifts labels to the right. We don't want this to happen during loss calculation. Update model and processor configurations. Setting higher resolution will yield better results. OK, task start token ID. This is used by model to create inputs to decoder during forward pass of the model. Resize model token embedding to match the new vocab size. Data collator function prepares input for model. During training we give model pixel values and labels to calculate the loss. Here you can see how the model create inputs to decoder using labels, task start token ID and pad ID. Let's define training configuration. You can train for more epoch for better results. Start the training. Trained model is pushed to the hub. Let's try it out. Provide task start token as prompt to the model. Model has learned to output in correct format. Since we haven't trained for long enough, it performs poor on test dataset. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.